here is that rotation that I see. This is a part 2 of that last video. Here's that rotation. Here's that rotation. I assume we have that rotation there. So Summerdale and Midsdale, Summertown and Midsdale, get to your safe places now. Because we have a confirmed tornado and one possible tornado. We have rotation here. But that might actually expire because that doesn't look that strong. Well, who knows? But Somerville, get to your safe places now. There has been a confirmed tornado. There's been a confirmed tornado on the ground right now. Okay, I don't know what happened to my fan. I think it glitched. Yeah, I think it glitched. I assume here's the rotation. I'm bad drawing arrows. I'm bad drawing arrows. Here's the rotation. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna circle it. There's the rotation. I assume. So Summerdale and okay, the rotation has weakened, so the tornado warning for that place has expired. Okay, that tornado warning had expired. So you're good, so Summertown, you are good. You are good, Summertown. Now we gotta look at the Thomasville one. We don't know if the Thomasville one will weaken or turn into a tornado emergency. But here's the, I guess, supposed thing that sparked this. It'll be near Boston. This possible tornado will be in Boston. Will be near